Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into something super important, cybersecurity. In our digital age, keeping your personal info safe online is a must. So let's get started with introduction to cybersecurity, how to protect yourself online. First up, what is cybersecurity? Simply put, it's the practice of protecting your devices, accounts, and personal information from digital attacks. Think of it as a digital security guard for your online life. Without it, your data could end up in the wrong hands, causing all sorts of trouble. So how can you stay safe online? Here are some practical tips. Number 1, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. A strong password is like a strong lock on your door. Combine letters, numbers, and symbols to make it tough to crack. And 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a text message code. Number 2, watch out for phishing scams and suspicious links. Phishing is when scammers trick you into giving them your personal info, often through fake emails or websites. Always double-check email addresses and avoid clicking on links from unknown sources. Number 3, keep your software and antivirus programs up to date. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Make it a habit to install updates as soon as they're available to keep your devices protected. And lastly, number 4, use a VPN for safer browsing. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for hackers to intercept your data. It's especially useful when using public Wi-Fi networks. All right, those are some basics to get you started on your cybersecurity journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online. Your digital security is in your hands, so take these steps seriously. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe out there. See you in the next video.